Hello everyone. Today we are going to see how we can create the date master table in Power BI report. If you don't have any centralized calendar table in your report, we can create like this, which we are going to see now. If you see here now, this is the fact table. Order table is a fact table. In that fact table, we have this date column, but we don't have the centralized date table here in this report. Because why we are creating the centralized table means date table means in this column we will not be having all the dates, like few transaction date will be missed. All the dates we can't guess, right? We'll be having the transaction, any one of the date it will not be available. So in that case what we need to do is we need to create a centralized calendar table so that all the date it will be available in the date master table. So we can create that table now. So what we need to do is we need to go to Power BI report. In that, go to table tools here. So in that we'll be having new table option here. Name this table as date master table is equal to. So here we can give calendar function. Start date we can give either a first date or minimum date we can give. A minimum date DAX function we can give. Now I'll give first date, and date column already we have seen, no order date we have. So we can take that and close the bracket. Again, end date, for that what we can give, last date we can give. Last date, this is a DAX. In that also we need to give the order date. So what happens here is whatever the first date which is available in this order date that comes here. Uh, I'll show you how it looks. I'll just click on this check tick mark. So first date from this order table it comes, and after that whatever the dates are available in the calendar it will display. The last date whatever it is there, till that the date will be displaying here. So the like this we need to update it. Next we can click on this new column. In normally in a date master table we'll be having year, month, quarter, right? That columns we can create it here. So here DAX we can give, and then date means the same, this date column we need to give. So it automatically picks the year, and then click on new column. Click on new column. So we need to give a column name now. Equal to month we can give, again we can give the same date, like this date, date master date, and click on OK. So if you can see here the numerical value of the month, like 1, 2, 3, it comes. So if we need the format like a Jan, Feb, like that, we can click again the new column. Month name we can give. And then format. Format is a DAX function. So value, we need to give the date here. And then the format we need to give. So if we give MMM, January, like 3 digit of the month it comes. If we need full month name January as a full name, we can give 4M. So it comes like this. Again, if you click on this new column, we can create a quarter. Click on new column. It's taking some time. Quarter, date master date we can give. So 1, 2, 3, 4 like that it comes. Numerical value it comes. If you want Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, for that we can click on new column. I'm giving the name as quarter name is equal to. In like you can give in within the quotation Q and close the quotation and we can give and we can refer this column, the quarter column. So whatever the numerical values are there, it comes here. Quarter. Sorry, I can give quarter. Click this column and click OK. So Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4 like that it comes. So this is for the quarter and we can create week column. If we can see here, it comes like this. Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. So now week we can create it. So name this column as week and week is the week num is the DAX and refer this date column, date master date column and click OK. So if you want like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, we can create that as well. Click on new column. Week name we can give is equal to format. So here we have got the month name. No, likewise we can give week name also. So format value is date. Date master date we need to give, and then we can give DDT. Like 4 Ds we can give so that full uh, uh, a week name it comes like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So click OK. So if you can see the week name, it's getting displayed. So once this is done, what we can do, we need to connect this date master table to our fact table now. So we need to do a relationship between these two, so that this calendar table will be working for all the time intelligent function whichever we are creating it. So once it is done, what we can do, we can connect these two dates, like date of fact to this one, date master table. So if we can see here, date column, um, from fact table we have connected, right? So many to one relationship it is coming, and cross filter is single, and make this relationship as active. So we have given here this fact table is having this order date it's connected to date, and it is having many to one relationship cardinality. Cross filter direction is single to one. So single to many to one relationship, and click on save. So this is how we can create this date master table in Power BI. Thank you all.